When I was married, I hated being controlled. I hated having someone criticize my decisions, second guess my judgment, and punish me when I got things wrong. So when I left, I thought freedom would be amazing. But there was one problem. Nobody was going to tell me what to do anymore. And that terrified me. Not because he was wise, not because his decisions were good, but because after years of gaslighting, criticism, and having my confidence slowly dismantled, I no longer trusted myself. Suddenly, every decision was mine, just mine. When I left my abusive ex-husband, there was one thing that scared me. Actually, this thing had prevented me from leaving earlier. And even 2.5 years out, it still challenges me. This thing is me taking on life, me making decisions, prioritizing, setting goals, moving forward on my own. For 21 years, I stayed with him. And he was the one who called the shots. He was the one who made the decisions. And he was the one to whip me into shape with instant karma if I lagged behind on anything. This was very uncomfortable, of course. It was oppressive, it was horrible, it was abusive. But it also meant that because he was the one making the decisions, and because he was the one to tell me what was right and what I should do, and because keeping him in a decent mood took so much of my energy, I didn't really have time to think about any long-term goals because I was busy dealing with everyday life. Now I'm out. I have a lot more free time. I have a lot more freedom. Everything is not smooth. So I still have to deal with life, and I have to deal with life coming out of that abusive relationship, being drained, very little self-esteem, and the effects of gaslighting, so not being able to trust my own perceptions or my own abilities to make decisions, to handle life myself. But as I'm moving forward and as I am making decisions, even though they feel uncomfortable, I'm slowly building confidence, and I'm slowly getting to experience that fear and that doubt that I had in myself that was planted into me. It is not something that is grounded in reality. Yes, life is difficult. There are a lot of bumps, especially after coming out of an abusive situation. But I'm not less fitted to dealing with life than anyone else is. So if you're in this situation, either looking out into the future in that abusive relationship and wondering if you can make it, or if you've just left and you're dealing with the post-separation crash and confusion and chaos, or you're a little bit farther along and the basics are in place, but you have not set any long-term goals because you're still in the process of rediscovering yourself. Know that You are more capable than you think. You managed all those years with the abuser hanging over you, having to drag the abuser behind you while he screamed instructions to you. Even though he told you that you needed him, you are much more capable than you think of dealing with life's challenges. You're allowed to be human. There is no punishment for you not living up to perfection when you're out of abuse. There is just a world to discover. There is a you to discover. Don't look back. Slowly move forward, or take a little look around and see where you want to go next. If you recognize this feeling, you are far from alone. It's such a common feeling after leaving these relationships. Write to me in the comments. Is there something that you are afraid of doing or managing? Is there something that's keeping you from moving forward? Thank you for watching this video. I'm Emma, holding up a light over the bridge. See you in the next one.